Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 foods to avoid after 60. But these foods aren't just for people over 60. They're really good for anybody who has a heart condition or is at risk for heart disease. And in this video, I'm going to go through the list and explain why each one of these foods are bad for your heart. So make sure to watch all the way until the end. I'm a family physician with over 20 years of clinical experience, and I want to help you make more informed decisions about your health and your nutrition. So the first food that I'm going to recommend that you stop eating is one that most people don't think about very much when they're thinking about what foods are bad for their heart. It's dietary sugar. Now, this includes not just the sugar that you add to your coffee or to your cereal in the morning, but it also includes sugars that are hidden in other foods such as high fructose corn syrup, glucose syrup, dextrose, maltodextrin. These are all different names for the same thing, which is a type of sugar. Now, our bodies do need some sugar to function properly. That's because our brains run on sugar. But when we consume too much sugar, especially from processed foods, it can cause a lot of damage to our bodies, including our hearts. When we eat sugar, our body breaks it down into glucose, which is a simple sugar, and then that glucose enters our bloodstream and causes a spike in our blood sugars. Our body responds by releasing insulin to help move that glucose out of the bloodstream and into the cells where it can be used for energy. When we consume too much sugar, though, our body can't produce enough insulin to keep up with it. And so that results in high levels of sugar circulating in our bloodstream, which can damage the lining of our arteries. That damage causes inflammation in the artery walls, which then causes plaque to build up inside the arteries, which blocks the normal flow of blood through those vessels, and that raises our blood pressure. So then you have high blood pressure and high blood sugar, which are 2 risk factors for heart disease and stroke. But that's not all. Too much sugar in the bloodstream also causes the formation of something called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. When AGEs form, they bind to proteins and other molecules in the body, and they can cause a lot of damage. For example, they can stiffen the arteries, which makes them more likely to develop plaque. AGEs also cause damage to the kidneys, to the eyes, and to the brain. And so eating too much sugar is definitely something that you need to avoid after 60. The second food that you should avoid is any type of grain that is not a whole grain. This includes things like white rice, white bread, pasta, pizza dough, things like that. Refined grains have been stripped of their bran and their germ, which means they don't have the fiber, the vitamins, and the minerals that are found in whole grains. And because they don't have that fiber, they tend to raise your blood sugar levels pretty quickly when you eat them. And like I talked about before, high blood sugar causes damage to the lining of your arteries, and that starts the process of plaque formation. So if you're over 60, you're at risk for heart disease. You need to stick to the whole grains. And what are the whole grains? Those are grains that have not been refined. So things like brown rice, quinoa, oats, barley, things like that. Whole grains also contain fiber, which can actually help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering your cholesterol levels and by helping to control your blood sugar. And because they're filling, they can actually help you feel full and reduce the number of calories that you consume overall. So you definitely want to avoid refined grains like white rice and white flour products like bread and pasta and things like that. The third food that you should avoid is any type of soda. And I'm talking about both regular soda and diet soda. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that drinking 1 soda per day increased a person's risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 87%. Type 2 diabetes increases your risk of heart disease, as does high blood pressure, which is another risk factor that's increased by drinking soda. Now, there's several reasons for this. First of all, sodas are loaded with sugar. Even diet sodas contain a lot of sugar. They also contain phosphoric acid, which can cause calcium to build up in the arteries. And then there's something else in sodas called caramel coloring, which is a mixture of chemicals that's been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Now, I'm not going to get into all the details of that in this video. But if you're interested in learning more about the dangers of caramel coloring, I'll provide more information below. So you definitely want to avoid both regular and diet soda if you're concerned about your heart health. The fourth food that you should avoid is processed meat. This includes things like deli meats, hot dogs, bacon, sausage, salami, canned meats, things like that. Processed meats are high in sodium, which can raise your blood pressure. They're also high in saturated fat, which can raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of developing heart disease. In addition, processed meats contain something called nitrates, which are used to preserve the meat and give it that characteristic pink color. But nitrates have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. So if you're over 60 or if you're at risk for heart disease, you definitely want to avoid processed meats. The last food that I'm going to tell you to avoid is vegetable oils. These are oils that are extracted from plants using solvents like hexane. Vegetable oils are high in polyunsaturated fats, which can raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of developing heart disease. In addition, the refining process that these oils undergo leaves behind a lot of harmful chemicals and trans fats, which are very bad for your heart. So you definitely want to avoid vegetable oils if you're over 60 or if you're at risk for heart disease. Some of the most common vegetable oils that you need to avoid are corn oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil, soybean oil, safflower oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, and rice oil. You also want to avoid anything that contains partially hydrogenated oil, which is a type of trans fat. So read the labels of the foods that you buy carefully and avoid anything that contains vegetable oils or trans fats. So those are the 5 foods that I recommend you avoid if you are over 60 or if you have heart disease. In addition to avoiding these foods, you also want to eat a diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Regular exercise and maintaining a healthy weight can also help reduce your risk of developing heart disease. Now, if you'd like to learn more about what you should be eating instead of these bad foods, I've included a link to a video about the top 6 foods that you should eat if you have heart disease. And if you haven't already done so, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. And while you're at it, if you think this video is deserving, go ahead and give it a like. And if you have any questions, please put those in the comments below. And I will see you next time.